change for the green line, you have to exit Baixo Chiado, and there you have to catch tram 28. They pass in Graça.
Two people, one day, okay? Agora tá, okay?
Good morning from Portugal. Finally we made it out here to one of my bucket lists here in Portugal. We arrived yesterday to Lisbon, but our flight was so late, we just so tired. We're actually going through Lisbon and we're going to be staying about 7 days or so. We have Lisbon, Cascais, Porto, Sintra. Maybe we have time, we're gonna go to the Algarve region, but let's get to it. We're here in the metro station trying to go to Belem, and I just saw that you can take the boat from here or the train. We have arrived to the Tower of Belem. To get here we took the green line all the way to Caio do Sodre and then the bus 15E. There was another bus, 528, that says Belem, but don't take that, that won't take you there. So 15E, and you exit and you only block 2 miles south, and then you see the tower. You cannot cross here, you have to go through the crossing over there. But we decided to start all the way west first because we have the 24-hour train, metro, and bus pass that expires in 30 minutes. So that's the line to enter the tower, and it costs €8. That was the Tower of Belem. We were actually buying souvenirs, and then they yelled police, police, and then all the people put their things really fast in a bag, and then we're ready to go. Okay, we have reached Monasterio del Geronimo. It's about 5 to 10 minute walk east from Tower of Belem. You just pretty much follow the 15E tram track. So that's the monastery, all those people there. I'm waiting to go inside. It costs €12 to enter, but across the street you have this beautiful garden. Jardín de Praça do Império. How do you cross, you would ask? You go down here. To enter is €10. The line seems to be very short. So that was Belém. We saw the tower, the monastery, and proud dos descubrimientos. My mom not too impressed. She says the castles in where? In where are better? Edinburgh. So I guess we have to see that. But now heading back to the city. Here there's a lot of tourists, not as hectic as the city. But we haven't had breakfast. It's already 1 p.m. So yeah, let's get to that. So you stop at Caio do Sodre, and in front is the Time Out Market. Time Out Market in Lisbon has a fresh produce section with seafood, meats, fruits, and artisanal goods, plus a colorful flower and decor area filled with vibrant blooms and plants. We had just explored those and we're about to enter the lively food court where the delicious aromas of prepared dishes await us. And this is where everybody goes to eat. Oh my gosh. Wow. I don't know where to go. So if you don't know what to eat or where to go to eat, they have everything you want here. They have like the plates in front of you so you can pick and choose since you don't know what the names are. So now we're heading to Pink Street. Oh. Alright, so we got this Pastéis de Nata, €1.30 right out of the market. Oh my god, it's really good. It's so crisp on the outside, so good. That's it. That's it. More for me. Pink Street in Lisbon is a lively area known for its vibrant nightlife, once a red light district and now lined with bars, restaurants, and clubs. The street is marked by bright pink pavement and draws both local and tourists, making it a great spot to grab a drink or people watch. Above, colorful umbrellas hang overhead, adding a unique touch to the atmosphere. So that was the Pink Street. It was about a block. And everybody taking pictures and just restaurants on the side. It's currently 3 o'clock. We still have to go to Castle de São Jorge and Justa lift. We got a lot to do still.
I got the old town area. This area we can make in 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, or 2 hours. 1 hour normally it's 120, okay, per hour, but two persons it's 70 euros 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, 1 hour. And if you want to do 2 hours, it's 130.
Santa Justa lift, built in 1902. You can actually go up, but you have to pay. You have to go this way. It's €6 to get in. Go all the way to the top, and then you can look at the people there. Almost done with it so much today. We went to Belem, Time Out Market, Pink Street, Santa Justa lift. Now we're here in the Mirador, Porta del Sol, and we only got one stop, Castle de São Jorge, and that will be it for today. But honestly, after walking for so much, my heels are in so much pain right now, so we're resting for a little bit.
Come on out. We can have fun. Let's make Friday a fun day, guys. Let's do it.
So that was 15 euros to go to the castle, and there was a pretty big line to get there, but we're gonna see if we can look at it from the outside somewhere. So here in Lisbon, we're staying here. It is 68 per night. It's very small, but it's clean. And I never seen such a small sink. But it has its own bathroom, which is the plus here. And even a little kitchen. I can't believe we're done with it so fast. Of course, our style, we just look at it from the outside and we just get the gist of it. Tomorrow we got to do Cascais, so that'll be another adventure. See ya! Hey guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for future adventures. See ya!